University of Hawaii art alumnus Robert Bento accomplished something he has been trying to do for a while: bring his entire art class at Molokaʻi High School to Oʻahu for a field trip. And what a field trip! 6 Molokaʻi High seniors spent a half day at the UH Mānoa Department of Art and Art History. They watched a demonstration of glassblowing by art professor Rick Mills, learning the do's and don'ts, along with a little history of the craft.
These are a 1,000-pound furnace here, and on the other furnace it says charging on it. It's a 500-pound furnace. So.
Later, they got hands-on experience in the art of printmaking with help from graduate student Soo Mei Teh and UH art senior Helena Noordhoff.
And what base do you want? Do you still want that gold to silver base?
The Molokaʻi students had a busy weekend, going to a concert, a stage production, and 2 museums.
I just wanted to expose these kids who are from a much smaller universe, if that's what you want to call it, than being over here on Oʻahu. They don't get to see facilities like this.
The students also were looking for ideas for a sculpture to make as a gift to Molokaʻi High.
We're kind of coming over here and experiencing different ways of how people put their arts together.
This trip is going to help us give more ideas. We already have a sketch and everything, but Mr. Bento said maybe this can open your eyes just a little bit more and open the door just a little bit wider.
EUSTAQUIO plans to attend Kapi'olani Community College next fall. She wants to be a teacher for the hearing impaired and eventually return to Molokaʻi to provide that much-needed service.
I want to help make a difference.
Bento summed up what he'd hoped the trip would be for his students.
Inspiring.